So we're really loving the way our forward canopy is coming out with the colors that we've chose. So we do a lot of painting. Everything gets primed or painted. And what we've been doing since this is visible is we're painting it a combination of red and black to go with our color scheme. But there's a problem. We started painting everything black that we thought, but as we put it together, we realized something we painted black, we actually want red. So join us on the process of how we're going to strip this part of its black paint and repaint it red so it just looks absolutely amazing when it's done. What does it take to strip the paint? Well, you need 1 part Rust-Oleum Aircraft Remover. Don't worry, we're not removing the aircraft, we're just removing the paint from the aircraft, but you can find it at a local parts store, auto store, or the big box store. You need a brush, you need gloves, and you need a plastic bag. So what we're going to do is brush the paint stripper onto the parts, covering anywhere where the paint's at, and we're going to put it in the plastic bag and let it sit for an hour or two. That being in the plastic bag allows the chemicals to really do its full reaction. Then we should be able to scrape off most of the paint pretty easily, and then we start sanding. So as you can see, the paint starts instantly coming off. It kind of boils up and comes off. So letting it sit for a little bit just helps it really get all that paint separated from the metal. I don't know how this aircraft stripper stuff works, but it's impressive. Also, a red Solo cup does not last long with aircraft stripper in it. So find something a little bit stronger than that if that's what you want to use, because it disintegrated pretty quickly. All right, it's been sitting for a little bit now, so let's take it out and start scraping off what paint's there. I brought some red Scotch-Brite pads that we will use to kind of begin sanding it to see where we're at. We may need a second coat, but we'll find out. So as you can see, just a little bit of sanding with a Scotch-Brite pad, and all the remaining paint is coming off pretty easily. So this is almost a finished product here. I still got some more sanding to do down on the other side and on the other one, but we're going to take it back into the shop and finish the sanding in there where I have an air conditioner. So we're going to clean this mess up and keep on sanding. So that really was not bad at all. They are now just like they're brand new right after we pull the blue off and get ready to paint it nice and silver. No traces of the black paint on there whatsoever. So if you paint something, whether you prime it or paint it, it can come off. That aircraft stripper is some pretty impressive stuff, so be careful with it. But don't settle for a bad paint job. Just go ahead and strip it and repaint it. It's not that hard. It doesn't take that much time, and the aircraft stripper supply is easy to find and not that expensive, and a jug of it goes a long way.